Hello children, in the previous video we have learned about the universe, solar system, sun and stars. Do you know how these stars are born? Stars are born in nebula. Nebula is a great cloud of dust and gas. Due to gravity, the nebula becomes a dense spinning cloud and collision of hydrogen atoms leads to formation of star. After shining for years, the star begins to burn out and starts contracting, and then it explodes. This is called supernova. This is the picture of the planets. Now, the word planet means a wanderer because planets keep on moving around the sun. Earlier, there were 9 planets in the solar system, but lately, one planet, Pluto, was declassified. The planets can be classified into two groups, the inner planets and the outer planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are made up of rocks and they are also called terrestrial planets. These are the inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets. As they are made up of gas, so they are also called gaseous planets. Now let's discuss some of the important features of the planets. Planets do not have a light of their own. They are mostly spherical in shape. Most of them have their satellites. For example, Moon is the satellite of the Earth. They all revolve around the Sun, and each planet takes a different time to complete one revolution. As our Earth takes almost 365 days to complete one revolution, Mercury takes 88 Earth days and Jupiter takes 12 Earth years to do so. The path followed by a planet to revolve around the Sun is called an orbit. Now, Earth is a very unique planet. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. It is unique because of the presence of life on it. Various factors like presence of water, suitable atmosphere and suitable temperature supports life on this planet. The Earth is also called the blue planet because of the presence of water on it. You know, 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water, which is very essential for the survival of living beings. The Earth is 150 million kilometers away from the Sun and has an average surface temperature of 14 degrees Celsius. It rotates on its own axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours. It completes its one revolution around the Sun in 365 1/4 days. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. As we all know that Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth, it is at an average distance of 3,84,000 kilometers away from the Sun, Earth. The Moon completes its one revolution around the Sun in 27.3 days. You know, Moon has no atmosphere and it does not have its own light. It shines because it gets its light from the Sun. It reflects the light of the Sun. So we always see the same face of the Moon because the time taken by the Moon to complete one rotation and revolution is the same. The next heavenly body, which is also seen in the space, is the comets. Comets is a small icy object which glows and gets bright tail as it comes near the Sun. The word comet means a dirty snowball. It is made up of ice and dust. Halley's Comet is a famous comet discovered by Edmund Halley. It was spotted near the Earth in 1986 and will return in 2062.